Hi, Miss Diwaten. Can you tell me about yourself?
Good day, ma'am. I am Jonalyn Porcadia Batin. I am 32 years old and I'm from Coral City, South Cotabato, and I'm a married.
Do you have kids?
Yes, ma'am. I have 3 kids, 1 girl, 11 years old, and 2 boys, ages 9 years old and 6 years old.
How many siblings do you have?
I have 4 sisters, ma'am, and I'm the second child.
Can you tell me about your educational background?
Yes, ma'am. I'm a high school graduate.
Do you have work experience abroad?
Yes, ma'am. I work in Qatar from May 20, 2022 to April 1, 2024. I work in 6 members in the family, 1 couple, 4 kids, ages 9 years old, 7 years old, 6 years old, and 4 months old baby. My duties and responsibilities are cleaning in the house, cooking, ironing, washing clothes, and taking care of the kids. I also work here in the Philippines for 2 years, from April 2012 to November 2014. I work in 5 members of the family, 1 mother and 4 adult kids, ages 18 years old, 16 years old, 14 years old, and 12 years old. My duties and responsibilities are cooking, ironing, washing the clothes, cleaning the house, and marketing.
Okay. Did you finish your contract?
In Qatar, no, mom, because I have a misunderstanding in my employer. Here in the Philippines, I finished, mom.
Okay. How would you describe yourself?
I am joyful, caring, honest, and a loving person.
Okay. Do you have any tattoo?
No, mom.
Did you undergo to any kind of surgery?
No, mom.
Why do you want to work abroad?
I want to go abroad because I want to help my family and to provide my kids' needs for the school.
Okay. Are you scared of dogs and cats?
No, mom.
Can you give me your idea how you can take care of naughty children and children with tantrums?
I show them that I care for them and I play and show them for being a good friend.
Okay, that would be all. Thank you.